Hey guys, it's Jack here, and today I'm super excited because I just watched Disney's new movie, Raya and the Last Dragon, and today I'm going to be cooking 3 themed meals from Raya and the Last Dragon made by Raddish Kids Cooking. They're awesome, so check them out. I'll have the link in the description below. They're a kids cooking club, but today we're going to be making the Raya themed meals from Raddish Kids Cooking, and the 3 meals are shrimp noodles, pork lettuce wraps, and for dessert, mango sticky rice. So let's get into the video. So fresh, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're gonna cut some cilantro for the noodles. So let's go.
So who's your favorite character?
That's a tough question because I love all of the characters, but I think I'd have to go with Raya. Okay, so here are our mix-ins. We have the chopped peanuts, chopped cilantro, peeled carrot noodles, and some sliced green onions. So now we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Now we're going to put in some garlic. Then we're gonna put in 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Okay, so now we're gonna put in some green onion. Green onion is one of my favorite things to cook and to cut. I love putting it on my food. It's pretty. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna crack 3 eggs. So let's go.
So what's your favorite part of the movie?
So I think my favorite part of the movie would be when Namaari and Raya are at Spine, and then Namaari calls out for Raya to come out, and the gates swing open and Raya's there with the music and her cloak and her signature hat. I think that's a super cool part of the movie. So here is the noodles done. It looks so good, and I'm so excited to dig into it.
So my last question for you is, what about a sequel?
I would love to see a sequel. I would love to see Raya again in action with all of her dragon pals, and maybe we'll get to see Sisu's brothers and sisters in action a bit more too. Okay, so here we are. We're going to make the pork lettuce wraps now. And the first thing that we need is 2 teaspoons of lime juice.
Ooh, here comes it goes. Here's the juice. Oh, look at that.
So we just put in 2 teaspoons of lime juice, and now we're gonna put in 1/4 cup of soy sauce. So here we are, we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and my little brother Henry is gonna do this one. Ooh, that looks good, right?
Mm-hmm.
1 tablespoon of rice vinegar now. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch.
Go.
Yep. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Nice job, Henry.
Will I put this in?
Yep. 2 teaspoons.
Grab it. That, oh, that smells good.
This is ginger, some grated ginger. Okay, now we're gonna do some garlic. So here are 2 cloves of garlic. We are just chopping some cilantro. Here we are, we're making some mango sticky rice. So I'm super excited to make some mango sticky rice.
Me too.
Because mango was actually mentioned in the movie. Tong said that he liked the taste of mango, so I'm super excited to make mango sticky rice today. And I've never had mango sticky rice, so I'm super excited to make it and try it out for the first time. What about you, Henry?
Me also. Yummy, yummy.
Okay, so now we're going to put in 1 cup of rice into the pot as well as 2 cups of water. I'll go first.
Okay.
Isn't that cool? Now that we've put the water and rice on the stove, we're going to put it up to medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. So we're putting in 1 cup of coconut milk. This is organic coconut milk. Are you having trouble, Henry? Do you want me to do it? So here we are, we're doing 2 tablespoons of some sugar. Okay, so now we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Ooh, that looks like a pecan.
A white pecan. Okay, so now we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now we're gonna put in 1 cup of coconut milk.
Ooh, stir it.
Looks like a bit like an icy mountain. Now we
Yeah.
brought it over to the stove and we're going to, and we put it on medium-high heat and we are going to let it boil for 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to ladle the coconut mixture into the rice. Okay, we've just finished cooking, and here are our shrimp noodles, the mango sticky rice, and pork lettuce wraps. So I'm super excited because this all looks so good. I'm gonna call Henry, and we're gonna dig in now.
Before you dig in, what's your favorite object from the movie?
I have quite a few, but my favorites are the dragon gem. It has this beautiful, brilliant blue glow. Raya's sword, I think it's so cool how it can like shoot out in this weird way. And I also love the sisu pin that Namari gave Raya, which Raya gave back to Namari. And the red cloak, Raya's red cloak, it's so cool.
No, I don't want to try the
Okay. So, and we're gonna try them.
Mmm!
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, with the pork.
Mm-hmm. Super tasty and super flavorful.
Mmm. Mmm.
All these are good.
Mmm.
Okay, so now we're going to try the mango sticky rice. Let's try it.
Mmm.
That's very good. It kind of reminds me of suman, that Filipino dish. My grandma makes this like sticky rice dish, and it's so good, and it tastes a little like this. And the mango just provides a nice sweet get slightly cold addition to the dish. Have you tried the mango?
Yes, I
Did you like it?
yes.
Okay, so thank you guys for coming on this cooking adventure with us. Check out Raddish Kids Cooking. These meals were themed with Raya and the Last Dragon, Disney's new movie that just came out. And yeah, so hopefully we'll see you on another cooking adventure with us.